When people first start looking into medicinal cannabis, one of the questions that comes up most often is around quality. How do you actually know what's in a product and who checks it? And what does the regulatory side of things actually look like in New Zealand? In this video, I want to walk you through how medicinal cannabis is regulated here, because once you understand the framework, a lot of the uncertainty around quality goes away. In New Zealand, all medicinal cannabis products available through the legal pathway have to meet what are called the minimum quality standards. These are set by the Medicinal Cannabis Agency, which sits within the Ministry of Health. The standards apply to every product in the system, regardless of the supplier or country of origin. What the standards actually require is laboratory testing for things like heavy metals, pesticide residue, and microbial contamination. Products also have to meet specifications for the concentration of active ingredients like THC and CBD, which means each batch is tested so what's on the label genuinely reflects what's in the bottle. That batch testing is what allows clinicians to make informed prescribing decisions because they are working from verified data rather than estimates. The other piece worth knowing is that the regulatory landscape here is still evolving. Approved products, supplier lists and standards do change over time, and the Medicinal Cannabis Agency publishes updates publicly if you want to read more about how the framework operates. On the pharmacy side, medicinal cannabis is dispensed under the same regulations that apply to any prescription medicine in New Zealand. There are storage requirements, dispensing protocols and record-keeping rules, and pharmacists have to follow them as part of their professional registration. None of that is unique to medicinal cannabis, it is just how prescription medicines work in this country. If you have a prescription for medicinal cannabis, you can choose whichever pharmacy you like to fill it. Some pharmacies work with medicinal cannabis every day. Others do not see it as often, but the choice is always yours. Cannabis Clinic operates Lake Road Pharmacy on Auckland's North Shore. It is a specialist medicinal cannabis pharmacy, which means our pharmacy team works with these medicines regularly and is set up to answer the questions that commonly come up. That covers things like how to store products at home, how the dispensing process works, and how to manage your repeats. One thing that comes up a lot is product availability. With any medicine, supply can sometimes be tight, especially with plant medicine, and that is true for medicinal cannabis products. Our pharmacy team works with a range of suppliers and monitors stock levels day to day. So if a product is hard to source, we can let your clinicians know early so they can talk you through some alternative options. If you would like to use Lake Road, you can. If you'd rather use your own local pharmacy, that works too. You can find out more about Cannabis Clinic and our pharmacy on our website at cannabisclinic.co.nz, or simply tap the link below to take our eligibility quiz.